I am so hungry right now. I have not eaten for 2 days. My tummy hurts so bad. Please, let there be something to eat. Oh, this bread looks okay. Hey, that is my ball! You made it fall into the trash. It is all your fault. I did not mean to. I am really sorry.
Are you okay, little girl?
No, I am very hungry.
Come home with me. I will get you some food.
Thank you so much.
You will be safe with me now. You can stay here, Lily. This can be your room.
Wow, it is so pretty. Thank you for everything.
Look at all these wonderful things.
Wow, it's amazing.
Let's go see.
Okay.
Let's change your clothes first. Then we'll eat something together.
Okay.
Have some warm soup, dear.
It is so delicious.
I am so glad you like it. This looks delicious, doesn't it?
Yes, Mommy.
I do not like her. She should leave our house. I'll be right back. Look, I spilled soup on you. Now the floor is messy.
Lily made this big mess, Mom. She ruined her dress.
What happened here, kids? Why is soup everywhere? Lily, did you do this? Yes, Mom, she did.
No, I did not do it.
Young lady, look at this mess.
This kitchen is a disaster.
The dress is all dirty. Go change your clothes now. We should give her a chance.
Yes, I agree, honey.
I am sorry, Lily. Here is a pearl necklace for you as an apology.
Wow, thank you, Jake. It is so beautiful. I put on the necklace. I feel like a princess.
That is my necklace, Lily. Why did you take it?
I found in my room. I thought it was for me.
What is the meaning of this?
Your family is so kind.
She thought it was a gift.
Please do not be angry.
Go put it back right now. Okay.
I will put it back right now.
Give her one more chance, honey.
Okay, I will try. It is dinner time, kids.
Come sit at the table.
Be good to each other. Take care of Lily, Jake. Eat your food, everyone.
Hello, this is David. Yes, we have an important meeting. We must go out now. Emily, come with me, please.
Okay, I am coming.
Now I am the boss. Do everything I say, or you will leave this house.
I am scared.
Throw this cake at me.
I do not want to.
I forgot my bag.
Quick, come back, honey.
Do it right now.
Okay, I will do it.
What happened here, Jake?
He told me to do it.
I do not believe you. You must leave now. Yes, she must go. I am happy now.
came to tease you. The door is locked. I am scared. Help me!
Are you okay, Jake? I will stay with you. You are not alone.
Thank you, Lily.
We can wait together. It is getting dark.
We are back home now.
It was all my fault. Lily did nothing wrong. I was very mean.
I am so sorry, Lily. I am proud of you, son. You told the truth.
We are a family now.
I am happy now.
I am happy too.
Let us go inside. Drink this warm milk.
This is your home, Lily.
I feel so happy.
We made the right choice.
I love my sister. I will be kind from now on.
You two are great.
Thank you for everything.
We are kind together. Help people in need. Always tell the truth.
Family and friends make life better.
That's right.
I love our family.
Sweet dreams, kids.
Sleep tight, everyone.
I love you all.
Sorry again, Lily.
I forgive you, Jake.